Welcome to Subur Innovation Marathon 24-25.
GHS Badavanalli, Madgiri Taluk, Tumkur District, Karnataka. My name is Raghu. I am studying in 9th standard.
My name is Shreyas. I am studying in 9th standard. Our project name is Space Sense. Problem statement of this project.
Digital and developing system for a car that accelerate indicate the distance between the vehicle in front of feedback and front of feedback to the drivers to enhance road safety and prevent collisions. Working principle of this project.
Distance sensor sense the vehicle, give information to turn board. Light will on, beeper will beep.
Materials used in this project: distance sensor, white LED, red LED, buzzer, motor and wheels.